This is soft for the good girl. Who be do it all for a good girl one time. This is soft.
Hey honeys, it's Ams and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're returning, welcome back. Alright, so today's video I am collaborating with Gorgius Hair. I have been seeing this brand a lot on TikTok and also on Instagram. Alright, so in the box it came with this cute pack. Ouch. Okay, so they gave me some hair clips, bobby pins. I got an extra band, and then what else do we have? Oh, okay, tweezers and edge brush, and also wig caps. All right, so let's get into this wig now. Let's see what we got. All right. So this is the wig right out of the box. Y'all see these bouncy curls. I just have to show y'all one more time. By the way, this hair is 10 inches and it's the natural color, which is kind of like a 1B. And wig cap here, here's the construction. Also, there is a band. The band is not adjustable, but it's pretty tight, so it should be good. Alright, good. It's good and snug. No product, y'all. No product yet. No, this is some summer hair right here. Wow. I want to remind you guys, this is right out of the box, okay? Like, if this isn't beginner friendly, then what is? Like, this is perfect. Like, I don't have to worry about no lace, no glue, no baby hairs. It's birthday. This is, wow. Okay, I'm gonna say this. All right, it's worth the hype. It's worth the hype. This hair is soft. Trying to see if it had like a little bit of a smell, but as soon as I put my mousse in, it doesn't even matter anymore. So I'm gonna be using the Lotto Body mousse and just my spray bottle. And I went ahead and clipped my hair up. I want to make sure I get this hair saturated, so I'm gonna take it in big sections. So yeah. I got the first back section saturated. Okay, let's go ahead and put some mousse in. I'm gonna do about 2 pumps to start out, see how the hair reacts. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use my dimming brush as well as soon as I get it saturated with product. Let's see. This hair is so pretty. All right, next section. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair. I'm just gonna spray it down with water by sections and then add the mousse and comb it with the dimming brush, and yeah. That's gonna be about it. We're gonna see what this hair is gonna do. I got just a couple of tangles as I'm trying to just use my hand to comb through, but as soon as I add the water, what tangle? It melts. It's just melting. Curls are so pretty. But yeah, so I am finished defining all of the curls, and let me stop touching it because I definitely don't believe in touching the hair too much before it's almost dry. So I'm gonna show you guys how much shedding I had. All right, So that was minimum shedding. It wasn't bad at all. That was really good. So like I told you guys, with any curly unit, you will experience shedding most of the time. I have never had a curly unit that I haven't had any shedding. So that was really good. My hair is smelling so good. I love the smell of that Lala Body mousse. It just smells good to me. I just want to show you guys a close-up of this hair while it's wet. But yes, this is definitely giving vacation hair. I don't know what anybody else has to say. I just came out the ocean on vacation. Okay, so I'm gonna let my hair dry for a little bit and I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final look. I'm back and my hair is about 75% dry. Oh, and these curls are so soft. Okay, so I'm gonna use my t-shirt to scrunch the hair a little bit more. Like, this is the perfect hair that, like, if you have some frizz, that's fine. Like, your hair doesn't have to be like super defined. All right, so I'm gonna pick the hair out with my comb and make it even bigger. Look at that volume. I feel like this is a really cute shape. I mean, like, the hair is really framing my face very well. I feel like this is it. Like, I'm looking in the mirror like, yeah, this is it for me. I like it. This is so gorgeous, literally gorgeous. Literally. Okay, so I also wanted to show you guys, so you can see how bouncy the curls are. Oh, I wish I was wearing this all summer. But yeah, I can't wait. Girl, this is some, I'm gonna say some really cute pictures with this hair. Really cute pictures. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the back. I want to let you guys know that this hair, I definitely recommend you getting it. This hair is just so gorgeous. It's so soft. It's so pretty. The curl pattern, look at this. Like, what are you saying? This is perfect because you do not have any lace. You don't have to worry about baby hairs. You don't have to worry about tinning the lace. You don't have to worry about just any of those things. Like, just nothing. This is like, put it on and go hair. You know, of course, since it doesn't have any lace, you know, if you pull your hair up, you can see that. But it's not bad at all. Like, if you have an issue with this, you could take some bobby pins, literally, if you wanted to, and pin like a couple of hairs right there. But yeah, so just pin it like right there. You won't even see that part of the cap anymore. So that is perfect. But I'm gonna show you guys 2 other ways to wear your hair if you wanted to switch it up for a second. I was just looking at this hair, like when I had it pinned up, I was like, this would be cute. Like, just going and put maybe like half up, half down. I'm gonna show you guys. Somehow I lost the footage, but you can see what I was going for. Alright guys, so now we have look number 2, and I'm feeling it because I love wearing my hair off to the side. So you have so much versatility with this unit because you don't have to wear your hair with the bangs in front of your face. You can push it off to the side and have this little cute little side look. This Aussie Freeze Spray keeps it in place. Just a little bit, you don't need a lot. So yeah, I have a 15% discount code for you guys, and it's in the description box along with all the details of this hair. So yeah, if you liked any of the styles that I did with it, please let me know. And then also, if you do purchase this hair, I want to know too, because I want to know if you like it or if you love it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.